Hi, this is Doug Hines, CEO of PathWrangler. Welcome to our training video. Today we're going to be showing you how to build your group gear list. In previous videos, we showed you how to build itineraries. We also showed you how to build individual gear lists. Today we're going to walk in and see how to build a group gear list. So we're going to be using the same example trip that we've been using. So from our dashboard that's here and the My Templates side of it, we're going to build a group gear list for the Skeleton Coast template. So we'll click on this. And as I'm in here to the main overview page, remember that anytime we're doing any editing or building, we're going to be doing that through the organizer toolbox that's off to your right here. So we select this and we're going to build a gear list. Now, this will always default into the group gear list. In a previous example, we had built the individual gear list. So the simple thing that we do in order to go over to the group gear list is just to click this little switch that's over here. And now we're in the group gear list. And we haven't created one before. So to remind you, the group gear list is a list that all the organizers of the trip are creating a list of items that they will all collaborate on and bring together for the whole trip. So good example of items that you'll find in here are things like stove and food and tables and tents and things like that. Things that people will share. This is really good for people that need to collaborate amongst each other on who's going to be bringing what. Previous, we showed you the individual gear list. Everybody needs to bring whatever item is on that list individually. Now here's the stuff that we need to share. You don't have to use this list, just as you don't have to use the individual list. But this is a really good way for people that need to collaborate and make sure that all the items that are supporting a particular trip are taken care of. So we're going to go in here and go to Group Gear List. So we're going to click the camping. And we're going to add in some 3-season tents. So for this particular trip, I think we said earlier that there was 12 people that are going to be on this trip. So we're going to make sure that we have at least 4 tents here. We're going to have 4 3-season tents. And we can make a note in here. So in this particular case, in this example, this will be a commercial trip. So I'm going to say these tents are located in our storage. Something like that. So we can go in here and add all sorts of other things. Bring bowls. We need to have them for all the individuals in here. So we can just have 12 lots. Things like that. We can add all these various items that would be part of the group gear list. The same type of search that we have before, where you could go in here and create a, you can search through the search button, or you can go through the hierarchy, or you can create custom ones. So in this particular case, I'm going to create a custom item, and I'm going to call it satellite beacon that we don't have on our list. And we're going to add this to the list and finish up. This is a very short list for now, just for example, but it gives you an idea of all the things that you can collaborate on. And this is going to be different because when you send this out to your people that you're collaborating with, the difference on the other side is that you will see in all these items an assignment for whoever clicks and says that they're going to bring a particular item. Their name will be located over here. So we're actually going to show you how that'll be done in a future video. So that's how you build a group gear list.